Welcome to our journey into eco-engineering, where technology meets nature to forge a sustainable future. Are you ready to discover how we can regenerate our planet through innovative solutions? Climate challenges are no longer distant threats. They are here, affecting ecosystems and communities worldwide. Rising temperatures, extreme weather, and biodiversity loss are urgent calls to action. Bioengineering plays a pivotal role in addressing these challenges. By mimicking natural processes, we can design solutions that restore ecosystems. For instance, using mycorrhizal fungi to enhance soil health can revitalize barren lands. Let's explore successful case studies. In the Netherlands, engineers transformed flood-prone areas into thriving wetlands, enhancing biodiversity while protecting communities from rising waters. This is a prime example of eco-engineering at work. Technological innovations are accelerating change. Smart sensors monitor environmental conditions, while drones assist in reforestation efforts. These tools empower communities to take charge of their ecological footprints. Looking forward, we must foster interdisciplinary collaboration. Scientists, engineers, and community leaders must unite to create integrated solutions. The future of eco-engineering relies on this teamwork. Join us in this mission. Communities can lead the way by adopting sustainable practices and advocating for eco-friendly policies. Together, we can make a difference. In conclusion, eco-engineering offers hope for our planet's future. By integrating technology with nature, we can create resilient ecosystems. Let's envision a world where nature and technology thrive together.